Hi, Namaskar. The maximum calls I get from everyday beauticians and my clients, skin suddenly sensitive हो गई, fine lines इतने visible है, कुछ सूट नहीं कर रहा है, क्या remedy? Various salons, various brands have something to offer. But I can give you an instant savior that will definitely work is my favorite sunflower oil blended with lemon and peppermint. This is savior. When your skin becomes super sensitive and you can see fine lines, crease, freckles, all you need, गीले चेहरे पर 5 डॉट लगाइए, gently massage on wet face, गीला चेहरा. Leave it for 5 minutes. Rinse off with water. Towel dry, tone. 6 weeks, your skin will start blooming in youth again. No better option than this. Works. Remember, skin sensitive हो रही है, fine lines आ रहे हैं, freckles visible है, ये overnight नहीं हुआ है. बहुत सालों के damages one fine day becomes visible because light हमारी ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत important हिस्सा है. हम हर वक्त illuminate रहते हैं during daytime, चाहे वो office हो, bedroom हो, kitchen हो. और ये indoor light, outdoor light, every form of light is causing these damages that we wake up to and we get so scared. So I trust and recommend this oil. You will love using it.